E kindego bende Johera mag Maina Njenga dwaro ni sirkal ochwale e doho moro amora kaluwore gi meko ne tich ariyo mar jumani. Okil mare mano Njeri Ndegwa wacho ni doho nochiwo chik mondo ochwal Njenga e doho, kata kamano olero ni obila e stesen ma Central e boma ma Nairobi notamore rwako kwayo makamano.
In the magnanimous aspects of the High Court extended those orders and said that whoever is holding Maina Njenga, in whichever police station that is being held in, the OCS, upon receipt of these orders, be ordered to release Maina Njenga with a bail of 100,000 shillings. The family yesterday paid the 100,000 shillings to the court for the release of Maina Njenga. Today, when we went to the police station at Central Police Station, we advocates were not allowed to access the police station.
And I ask that the police department to kindly abide with the law, that the court yesterday managed to provide a ruling for habeas corpus, and this was to make sure that Mr. Maina, our father, and who is a leader, should be presented in court and should be released from police custody. I humbly ask all police officers who are part of this to please provide or bring our father back home.